Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What is the feature of PVC ventilation duct fabric? One of the PVC tarpaulins is ventilation duct fabric. According to the requirements of the application, the PVC ventilation duct fabric needs to have the performance of flame retardant and anti-static. Usually, we use PVC ventilation ducts in the production site of mines. That's why safety is essential. We could supply a high level of flame retardant and anti-static PVC ventilation duct fabric in different weight requirements. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.